Meet Nick. Nick's a dude. Dudes work out. Dudes beach. But what are guys like Nick supposed to wear afterwards that's absorbent and looks cool? Bathrobes are too girly, and hoodies don't dry you. Introducing DudeRobe, the revolutionary after shower, after workout, after beach alternative for modern dudes like Nick. Every DudeRobe style comes with a super thirsty towel lining on the inside and premium sweatshirt material on the outside, including extra pockets for storage. Dudes like Nick can dry off and still look like a dude. DudeRobe is perfect for any dude. This dude, that dude. You might even catch these dudes wearing it. You can do anything in your DudeRobe. Robe like a dude.